Did you know a tiny dragonfly can migrate thousands of miles, just like birds? Meet the green darner. This stunning insect travels over 2,500 miles from Canada to the southern US and Mexico, without a GPS. With wings so delicate yet powerful, it rides the wind, soaring across continents, one of the longest migrations in the insect world. Here's the catch: it's a relay race. One generation starts, and their offspring finish the journey. That's nature's teamwork at its finest. This little pilot's secret: energy-packed wings, unmatched precision, and a mission coded into its DNA. Isn't that mind-blowing? Next time you spot a dragonfly, remember, it could be on the journey of a lifetime.